Alright folks, this video comes to you from a channel called Midwest Accountability. This guy is a personal friend of mine. He's come out to record with me, and he's a truck driver. So he's traveling from sea to shining sea, delivering goods. Who knows, maybe something that you have in your hand right now was delivered by him. You know how these freedom-loving truckers are. Got nothing bad to say about him. But he's been out doing some recordings whenever he can. He did this live stream and found a couple little tyrants. So what we're gonna do is expose them and send you guys on over to Midwest Accountability's channel. Let's all go over to his channel, make sure we let him know how much we appreciate him and all the other truckers of this country. Thank you for all you do, bro, and also thank you for being my friend. All right, guys, here's your video.
Are you looking for the entrance?
No, just walking around, taking a look.
Okay.
What was your name and that badge number?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't. I mean, you can look all you want, but I'm just...
You can't identify yourself?
Why
It's not in your policy?
No.
You approach me, you engage with me.
Yeah, I was seeing if you needed help to the entrance.
Well, the help I need right now is your name and badge number. All right. Tyrant piece of shit. S8493.
This video is not over, folks. In fact, it's only just begun. Watch how he handles this tyrant.
How's it going? Yeah.
What's going on?
Just out here recording. What's your name and badge number?
I'm Deputy Zanin. All right, 12035 is my badge number.
Okay.
You are on private property, so I'm going to need you to just go where.
Where's it posted?
This is a county complex, okay?
County property is public property, unless posted private.
So this is like where we park our squad cars and
Okay.
stuff. So just because we're driving through here and stuff. So
Okay.
even there it says don't enter, like you can't drive through.
It says do not enter with a vehicle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't say anything about walking though, right?
All right. So if you could just you're freaking people out. We've got a couple calls on you.
Freaking people out for recording?
Yeah. I mean, I didn't just show up here for no reason. It's because someone called, so that's why I'm here.
Okay, well, maybe you guys should post no, no trespassing. Then that would probably be helpful because, people can just walk through here,
Yeah.
right? So.
Yeah. Well, they're not supposed to. I know, but yeah. If you don't mind, I mean, if that's a public roadway right there. Over there is fine, but yeah, back here, we got a couple calls. So if you don't mind, just go over there or same over there. I appreciate it.
Okay, is that under threat of arrest then? Are you trespassing me from public property or?
Well, I'm public is different than this isn't public property. I realize like the courthouse, yeah, that's public, right? But you can't just walk in there whenever you want, right?
During business hours, but I'm not.
During
I'm not
business
I'm not
hours,
inside.
yeah.
I'm outside.
But this isn't the business part. You know
Right.
what I'm saying? This is where we keep our vehicles and do prisoner transport stuff like that.
Uh-huh.
So, like I said, if you don't
I don't have no nefarious intent or anything like that. Just out here checking things out.
What's your shirt say? I can't see.
Go ahead, read it out. Read it out for my people online.
I'm not reading anything. Yeah, I was just reading it myself. Okay.
Yeah.
So, all right. Where are you from? Like.
It don't matter. Just
Doesn't
around.
matter? Okay.
Yep.
I wasn't sure if you're from around here or I saw palm trees in that picture. So.
Yeah.
All right. Well, like I said, I'd appreciate it if you kind of just go by the street there or there. Or,
All right. Well, I got a few more pictures I need to take, but
well, what are you taking pictures of?
just anything I can see from public.
All right. Well, like I said.
The camera's just an extension of my eyes. Yep.
Okay.
So I could be over there by the railroad tracks. Is that what you're telling me?
Well, no, because that's railroad property, but that road there, that's public road. I mean, by all means.
Oh, okay.
By all means, it's public road. So.
Well,
like I
for
said, this is a private parking lot for the sheriff's department. So.
well, just for food for thought, might want to put up some no trespassing signs or something like that. That lets people know that because if it's not forbidden, it's allowed. So.
Well, you're more than welcome to call them on Monday and give them that suggestion.
Okay. Well, I'll get a hold of a few people and we'll get her checked out.
But yeah, like I said, it was just I got a call because you're kind of worrying some people. So, do you have an ID on you?
I don't. No.
You don't?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
No, I just
Okay.
like knowing who I'm talking to.
Good citizen.
Oh yeah, that's the name. All right, man. All right. Well, take it easy.
All right. You have a good day.
You too.
Yep. S84-97.
All right, guys, this is the perfect time to plug in our merch because Midwest Accountability has one of our t-shirts on. Folks, we definitely appreciate you guys picking up our merch and help spreading the message of cop watching and police accountability out there. Thank you, guys. All right, back to the video. It's not over. There's more tyrants on the horizon.
Yeah, shout out to SJBT. How's it going?
Doing some training.
What's that?
Doing some training.
Are ya? What's your name and badge number?
What's that?
You have a name and badge number? No? Huh. I'm doing some training too.
Guys, let me just say that I've been very reluctant to inviting folks over to my house, meeting up with folks, going to record with folks. I've just had a lot of bad experience. But I've had some great experiences as well. I don't want to let the bad experiences ruin my future experiences and also ruin the possibility of me going out with you guys. Midwest Accountability has come over to where I live. We have recorded together. He's been over to my house. We have hung out, and he's a solid dude. I really do appreciate this guy. You guys go subscribe and let him know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there.